You can create parametric railings in ARCHLine.XP. The process is fairly simple and setting up the right parameters will ensure that the results would look great, so let's see how to do it. First we place an existing predefined railing, which we will transform to look and behave the way we want it. Entering the railing properties, we first delete all the elements that we don't need right now. When that's all done, we can start setting up the properties of our own customized railing style. First we set up the balusters by the big steps and the newel posts at the turns. These two will serve as the basis of our railing. There are predefined elements also, but we can use balusters that we model ourselves. In this example, we'll use a baluster that I made beforehand. Keeping its sizes in mind, I set up its center to the center spacing, which serves as an offset from the facade plane. Setting up the correct horizontal and vertical offsets, we move on to the handrail settings. Once we set up a cross-section profile and size for the handrail, we can define its position and overhang. Don't forget about the materials either. If we want to create further continuous horizontal elements, we can use the handrail for that too. When we are done with setting up the above, we set up the primary balusters first, and then the custom components of the railing with the panels and the bars. This is the recommended order of work because the component's position will be adjusted to the balusters. First we create a railing style which has nothing but panels and bars. Let's now add the bar, set up its cross section, then adjust its size and position, which then needs to be adjusted to the balusters. Let's set up the material, and then repeat this step 3 more times so that we end up with 4 bars altogether. We then add another object, which will act as a glass panel in the railing. Adjust the size of the glass panel so that it would fit in its place perfectly. Hit OK to accept all the changes. In the preview window we see how the railing will look like. If this is OK for us, let's accept it. The 3D view will automatically update, and the previously inserted railing style now transforms into our very own style. If we do not work based on custom-made components, but based on existing objects, then switch on the primary balusters and choose the objects that you need. Here you can also create a baluster based on a cross-sectional profile.